My family's lived here a long time. They moved here in 1884 and founded this ranch and started raising cattle. And it's a great privilege for me to be able to live here and continue the tradition of taking care of the land and looking after the wildlife. I served as a tank platoon commander in the Marine Corps for 5 years. While I was deployed to Afghanistan, I was wounded twice and received 2 Purple Heart medals. When I came back from the Marine Corps and I wasn't able to do the heavy lifting on the ranch that I'd done before I was hurt, guiding was something that I could do. So I started my own outfitting business, started taking people fly fishing, and then grew that into hunting and then into everything that it encompasses now, which is quite a lot. My role here on the ranch is less traditional than what people think of with a rancher. So I work on the conservation and the wildlife aspect of things. So I'm trying to improve the habitat for the wildlife species that live here on the ranch. And that might mean removing coyotes so that the mule deer have a better chance, or cutting down juniper so that there's more water available, or even creating river channels to improve habitat for the trout, salmon, and steelhead. Whatever it is, when you work on the conservation of the environment, you create an environment that's better for those cattle to live in, and everything benefits from it. We have produce from a great big greenhouse, and we have honey, and we raise horses, and we've got a couple Canada geese hanging around right now. But the main thing that we do here is raise Corriente cattle for grass-fed beef. This is a family ranch. Whatever job needs done, we're all coming together as a family and working on it and making sure that we get it done.